cardboard piece for the floor. Glue 2 cardboard pieces to make the walls. Glue blue grid paper on the right floor. Glue blue diamond paper on the left floor. Glue plain pink paper on the right wall corner.
Pika pika!
Thank you, Pikachu.
Pika! Wow! Pikachu!
What do you want to do with this?
Pika pika!
Aha!
Break a clear round plastic lid in half. Paint the inside of 1/2 red. Set the painted red hood aside to dry. Place the white bowl upside down on another cardboard. Trace around the bowl's edge with a pencil. Cut out the cardboard circle with a utility knife. Apply white glue on the cardboard circle. Place a layer of soft cotton on the glue. Wrap the cardboard with a piece of white fabric. Glue the fabric edges to the back of the cardboard. Cut off excess fabric with scissors. Stick a Pokémon sticker on the white mattress. Place the mattress inside the white bowl. Mix black and white clay to get gray clay. Flatten the gray clay into an oval shape. Cut the gray clay into a semicircle shape. Use a diamond pattern mold to emboss the clay. Attach the gray clay piece to the back as a headboard. Fold a yellow checkered fabric piece in half. Glue the sides of the fabric to make a small pocket. Stuff a little cotton inside the fabric pocket. Glue the open side shut to finish the pillow. Decorate the pillow edge with a gold glitter string. Make another identical yellow pillow. Glue the red plastic hood onto the white bowl. Glue a small white foam circle on the black strip. Place the completed Pokeball bed on the pink platform. Shape green clay into a small cuboid. Attach 4 small gold beads to the bottom as legs. Glue a yellow clay rectangle to the front as a drawer. Place the drawer next to the bed. Roll yellow clay to make Pikachu's head and body. Add a flat white clay circle on the chest. Wrap a thin red clay strip around the white belly. Add yellow clay arms and feet to the body. Shape 2 yellow Pikachu ears with black tips. Draw eyes and a cute smile on the face with a marker. Add 2 small red clay circles for cheeks. Draw clock numbers and hands on the white belly. Shape a yellow clay lightning tail. Place the Pikachu clock on top of the green drawer. Cut a piece of yellow foam sheet into a backpack shape. Cut a yellow foam strip with a long slot in the middle. Glue the foam strip onto a yellow zipper. Trim off excess foam and zipper with scissors. Glue the foam pieces to form the backpack box. Attach the back panel of the yellow backpack. Glue 2 yellow foam straps to the back of the backpack. Glue a black foam strip for the front pocket. Attach 2 yellow foam ears to the top. Stick eyes, red cheeks, and draw a smile on the backpack. Open the zipper of the tiny backpack. Put some mini Pokemon toys inside. Zip the backpack shut. Slide a toy phone into the front pocket. Hang the backpack on the red wall hook.
Pika Pika! Pikachu?
Whoa! Place tiny Pikachu slippers on the platform. Prepare cardboard layers stacked for the stairs.
Blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
Cover the side of the stairs with blue paper. Cut cardboard pieces for the gacha machine. Paint the cardboard pieces yellow and red, then assemble them. Attach a white turn knob to the front of the machine. Glue a curved clear plastic sheet as the shield. Model a yellow clay Pikachu head as the lid. Decorate the gacha machine with Pokemon stickers. Attach a red prize tray at the bottom of the machine.
Ta-da!
Put mini clay Pokeballs inside the machine. Place the Pikachu head lid on top. Woo-hoo-hoo! Turn the white knob to release a ball. Retrieve the Pokeball from the red tray. Open the ball to get a Clefairy toy ring.
Papa! Oh, wow! Pikachu!
A lovely Pikachu in here. That's so amazing.
Place the Pikachu gacha machine in the right corner.
Wow, that's wonderful!
Glue cardboard pieces to make a kitchen counter. Wrap the kitchen counter with yellow paper. Glue 2 yellow doorknobs on the cabinet. Decorate the cabinet with Pikachu stickers. Make a gray countertop with a sinkhole. Attach the gray countertop to the cabinet. Shape a faucet from gray clay. Glue the gray faucet next to the sink. Glue a black glittery foam piece as the stove. Attach 2 gold knobs to the stove. Shape a Pikachu-themed pot from yellow clay. Add ears, eyes, mouth, and cheeks to the pot. Make a yellow lid with a handle for the pot. Place the Pikachu pot on the stove.
Tomatoes?
Pika!
Wash a tiny clay tomato under the faucet. Put the washed tomato inside the Pikachu pot. Press to turn on the blue fire of the stove. Wait for the tomato soup to boil and steam. Scoop some soup with a spoon to feed Pikachu.
That looks delicious. For you, Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Place the kitchen counter under the platform. Fold white cardboard to make a fridge box. Attach 2 cardboard shelves inside the fridge. Wrap the fridge with a yellow foam sheet. Make a fridge door with Pikachu's face. Attach 2 yellow ears to the top of the fridge. Attach a small white handle to the fridge. Place the yellow fridge next to the kitchen counter.
Pika Pika. Pikachu.
These apples are so fresh.
Place a basket of clay apples on the bottom shelf. Place mini cakes and pastries on the upper shelf. Cut a cardboard rectangle for the Nintendo Switch. Glue red foam on the left and blue foam on the right. Glue a black foam piece in the middle as the screen. Hang the Nintendo Switch on the left wall.
Do you like it, Pikachu?
Woo! Pikachu. Pika Pika.
I can win it. Come on.
Shape 2 yellow clay Pikachu-shaped chairs. Attach Pikachu ears to the back of the chairs. Glue 4 white legs to each chair. Place the 2 chairs facing each other. Cut a cardboard circle for the tabletop. Decorate the tabletop to look like a Pokeball. Glue 3 red legs to the bottom of the table. Place the table between the 2 chairs. Place apples, Starbucks water, and a plant on the table.
Wow, that's wonderful.
The cute Pikachu-themed dollhouse is now complete.
Pikachu. Pika Pika. Huh? My ability is to eat and sleep.
Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House. Do you know Pikachu and Hello Kitty? What do you think if you combine these 2 characters together? Pretty cool, right? So today I will make a miniature house for Pikachu and Hello Kitty from cardboard and clay.
Wow! Pika Pika. Ha! Pikachu. Pika Pika. This is for you, Lisa. Use it to make a living room.
Okay, thank you. Glue several cardboard sheets together. I chose yellow to make a cabinet for Pikachu. Add signature sticker. From this white clay, I will shape a television. Add more red lumps. Black border like Pokeball. Add Pikachu head on top. Let's make all the details of the ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. I will draw with a pen quickly. Control buttons. Great! 2 speakers on both sides.
Good job!
Now I'll make another sofa to sit and watch TV. Comfortable seat cushions, decorated with white lace around. 4 small beads to make sofa legs. That's perfect.
Pika pika. Pika pika.
Do you want a kitchen? I'll make it right on the left side of the living room. A refrigerator will be essential. If the living room is yellow, the kitchen will be pink. Hello Kitty refrigerator door. Fit well. Lovely stickers. Put soft drinks and cakes in the refrigerator. Fruit too. Hey, come here.
Let me help you, Lisa.
Here are the rewards for you two.
Lisa, is it my turn yet? I want pink kitchen cabinet.
Sure, as you wish. The cabinet door is made from pink emulsion paper. Add more oven. That's kitchen countertop. Cooking area. A simple gas stove. I will use this bottle cap again. Paint it yellow. It will become a Pikachu pot.
Great!
Make more a Hello Kitty microwave. That's great. I feel a bit hungry. I'll make some donuts. Pokemon donuts. So cute.
Let me give you some fresh vegetables I just harvested, Lisa.
Thank you so much, Kitty. Put it here.
Whoa! This is to make another hanging cabinet.
Got it. Hang it here. Some more kitchen utensils. Oh, Kitty, what are you doing?
I want a bedroom here, Lisa.
Okay, I'll make you a cute bedroom. As usual, lots of cotton inside to make the mattress comfortable.
Lisa, I love this ribbon. Use it for decoration.
Look great! Decorate more with pink trim around. Next I do Hello Kitty headboard. I had to sketch it on cardboard first. Then cut along the drawn line. Grind it finely, then fill it with cotton inside. Cover with white fabric to create volume. All the details of Hello Kitty's face are made from felt fabric. Blink eyes, yellow nose, and even the whiskers. Signature red bow.
Great! It's pretty! Oh, wow! I do love this bedroom! Lisa, I also want the bedroom to be like that. Orange-yellow color.
Okay, let me decorate it a bit more. The head of the bed will be a giant Pikachu head. Cover the cardboard with yellow clay. Add 2 long ears. Eyes so sparkling and meticulous. Tiny nose and lovely mouth. Even the long tail. And finally, I will add a decorative cabinet in the middle of the 2 bedrooms. Pokeball backpack. Two pairs of slippers to keep the room clean. So the miniature house for Pikachu and Hello Kitty is completed. Do you like this house? If you have any new ideas, please leave me a comment below. Love you so much.
My ability is to eat and sleep. Besides, I have a very good nose.
Hello, friends. I'm Lisa.
Ding, ding. It's me, Mario. Let's go.
Pika pika, pika pika, Pikachu. Pika pika, Pikachu. Excellent.
Woohoo!
Mario, is that you? I'm Hamster Pokemon. Let's adventure together.
Do you like Pikachu and Mario? I like both of them. What if you combine the 2 together? Today, I'm going to make a miniature house for both Pikachu and Mario. It will definitely be great.
Wow!
I will make the room on the 2nd floor first. That corner will be for Pikachu. Have you ever seen a Pokemon ball cabinet? And more storage compartments. Perfect! Make more Pikachu slippers to keep the room clean. Add 2 distinctive red cheeks. It's so cute. One more pair. The cupboard is still empty. Make an alarm clock to always be on time. Yes, That's it. And some books. This corner will only be for chilling, so I'm going to make a lovely sofa on the side. Ta-da! Cushion seats, and decorated with white lace border around. Use beads to make 4 tiny legs. Use mold to create patterns. Can you guess what I'm doing? A lovely floor mat. Ta-da! And more cute picture frames.
Wow, that's wonderful!
Quite simple, but also very adorable, right? Right next to it will be the bedroom. And the bedroom will of course have to have a bed. I'll make one right now. Cover white clay around cardboard sheet. Bed body. I will make another blanket. It is red and white. Decorate a bit to resemble a Pokemon ball. Choose happy face. It is red. Draw a sketch of Pikachu's head on a piece of cardboard to make a headboard. Smooth the surrounding edges. This will make it easier to wrap the clay on the outside. Pikachu is always so cute.
Excellent!
Footboard slack cannot be missing.
Pikachu? Pika Pika! Pikachu! Wow, that's amazing!
The bedroom has been completed. Looks great. Next will be the stairs to get downstairs. In Mario style. This side will also be raised. Do you realize what I do? Big round blue eyes. Caterpillar eyebrows. Mustache and big nose. And even a red baseball cap. The familiar M symbol. That's Mario. Do you recognize Mario's red and blue suit?
Great!
Looks nice. Create a turtle shell shape. Put it here as a bedside cabinet, even though it can't hold anything. This growing mushroom will be that night light. So cute! This side also has a bedside cabinet.
Oh, wow!
Look what I got! Mario figures. There's also a random block above.
Wow!
There are still many interesting things in this block. Let me show you. That's a lot of gold coins inside. Place here for decoration.
Wow! Excellent!
Mario's bedroom is completed. Very cool, right? TV shelf made from square blocks. Are you curious about what's inside the question mark square? Does this shape look familiar to you? The cardboard and colored paper Nintendo Switch V1 is complete. Which character is brown? Goomba is here.
Wow!
Sofa with Goomba backrest looks both adorable and interesting, right? An indispensable character in Mario is gradually appearing. Do you recognize it?
Good job!
Piranha plant is perfect. Do you find it scary or cute? Complete the house with the final element. Colorful fish tank.
Wow!
The house is completed. Do you prefer Mario's or Pikachu's room? Please leave your comments.